Today we're making chicken ravioli. Now we've done all the pasta through the pasta machine, so it's nice and thin on the highest or the thinnest level setting that you can get. Now we've already pre-cooked the chicken and garlic and onion, and now we're sticking it together in ravioli pieces. Hopefully I'm not putting too much egg on this to make it stick, because we haven't made this for a very long time. That's the end.
How do you make it?
You make it with your hands.
This is for YouTube. We can't have details like that. What do you have to do?
Well, like I said, I made the pasta. You make the pasta by putting a cup of flour, an egg to every cup of flour, by putting your flour on the bench, and then you make a big mound, and then you mix it together by gradually scooping in more flour with each handful of egg and kneading it all through, and you have some salt in there to give it a bit of flavour.
So there's salt in the egg here?
Yes. Then to knead it together, you actually need to put it through the pasta machine on the biggest setting, and then you put each piece through quite a few times to knit it all together. Then you wrap it up in Glad wrap and you put it in the fridge for half an hour. And then when you get it out, you put it through the pasta maker again, and this time you put it through, each piece through every setting. So it goes from 1 to 9. I've got too much egg on my hands.
What is the filling content here? What's that?
Well, we've minced, well, it's chicken mince, but fried up with salt, pepper, garlic, onion, a few herbs, and now Paul's put in a bit of cheese for a bit of flavour.
Get that, guys? Salt, pepper, garlic, onion, herbs.
Chicken mince is the main ingredient.
And chicken mince.
Yep, and then we're going to put it through a pasta sauce, which we've got cooking on the oven there. But we didn't have any.
This is the pasta sauce brewing over here.
And then we'll just drop this in boiling hot water until it rises, and then it's done. Serve it with a bit of sheep cheese. What's the sheep cheese called? What's the sheep cheese called?
Pecorino.
Pecorino cheese.
Do you have to fold these bits together?
Well, you've got to stick them together.
Stick them together.
So I'm not sure if I've put too much egg on, because it's going everywhere. But we don't want it falling apart when we're cooking it. But it should taste bellissimo. The other way is you could fork it down, and that also gives a nice pattern. If we might do some square shapes in a minute. We might do it with the fork.
Okay. Thanks for watching, guys. Okay, this is the production line of the ravioli.
Yeah.
So Mum's using a cup to cut templates.
And you can use anything really. It's just we thought we'd go for a round shape today, but it's a lot easier probably if you just do squares, because you can just quickly cut with a knife and just go boom, 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 boom.
And then Paul's dipping it in the egg to
Now we've
get
got
it
a lot
all...
of scraps here, and what we're going to do is just heat that up like pasta and have that with a pasta or with a silver sauce.
And then it
really
goes
nice.
into here, ready to get boiled up in a minute.
And you just got to squeeze those edges together so the ravioli or the chicken doesn't fall out of the ravioli as it's cooking or as you're handling it.
Yep.
It's going to be really yummy. Knock on the head or something. As long as they think that they wouldn't fall out.
Okay, what we're doing here is we're cooking the pasta.
We're gonna just about done.
It's just about done.
Yep.
How can you tell?
Because they're floating.
Because it's floating.
For a dad would be scared or freaking out when they've just seen their child dropped and hit their head, and it's probably one of the most distressing things that
There you
I've
go.
ever seen.
Now made premium ravioli.
before I check you.
Brilliant. It's going to taste delicious.
So just pour the sauce on. Saucy. Raw sauce. Beautiful. Bellissimo.
What are you doing there, Mum?
Just putting a bit of pecorino cheese on it. Paul said that's another magic ingredient. I think the basil's the most magic ingredient.
He's the master pasta maker from Italy.
And these chilies are really nice and strong. They're
I ate one of them
beautiful
before. I can handle it.
Yeah.
Film me eating. Because, yeah, we got to do a taste test for the YouTube.
So since that happened, just wanted to be a paramedic. It's important to protect as many
That
people as possible.
is delicious. Best pasta I've ever had. Done.